Harvest marks an important time of the year. Farmers take to the fields to reap the benefits of their labors. Months of hard work come together to feed Canadians and the world. This fall, as you celebrate the holidays with family and tables full of food, we thank you to the farmers that made it all possible. We thank you for your perseverance in a tough season, your grit and determination, for hands and boots covered in dirt, and for loving what you do. We salute you. At Ag for Life, we stand behind farmers and the agriculture community, delivering impactful resources and educational programming. We bring agriculture to life in the classroom and build a genuine understanding and appreciation of the impact agriculture has on our lives. We encourage others who believe in a strong rural and agriculture sector to join us. Please donate at agricultureforlife.ca and help us make a difference. Together, we can give back.